Welcome to physics class. Today we are going to study about the lenses. So what is the meaning of lens? Lenses are a transparent material bound by the two surfaces, of which the one or both surface are spherical, then it forms a lens. Lenses are of the many number of types, among which the convex lens and the concave lens are very important. What is the meaning there by a convex lens? Bulging outward, and also it is termed as a what? Converging lens. What is the meaning of concave lens? It is a bulging inward, and it is also termed as a diverging lens. How the convex lens is formed? Let us consider here the two spherical surface. At the center, so there is a dark line is there, no? If you taken out from that two surfaces, then it is becomes a what? The convex type of lens. The 2F what we have mentioned is nothing but a what here? The center of curvature of a spherical mirror, and F is nothing but the focus, and we can able to call it as a focal length also. In the same manner, how the concave type of lenses are formed? Let us consider the two spheres. One is having a C1, another one is a C2, is a center of curvature. Those center of curvature, in the middle part, if you taken out from the middle part, then it is becomes a what? The concave type of lenses. So it also has a center of curvature, focus, the focal length. Now let us understand the types of lenses. We have the number of types of lenses we have. One is termed as an biconvex lens. What is the meaning of biconvex lens? Both the sides are bulged here. It is a converging lens, convex type of lens. So another one is called the plano-convex lens. The one part is the plane surface, another part is the bulged, then it is termed as a plano-convex. Concavo-convex is the another one. So one is bulged, another one is a halo. In the same manner, the diverging lens, so that is concave lens, is also divided into many number of types: the biconcave, plano-concave, and also concavo-convex or convex so concave. So these are all the types of lenses we have. Now let us understand the few terms about or related to the spherical lenses. The first and foremost things, the optical center. The optical center is the geometrical center of any type of a lens, whether it is a concave or whether it is a convex, then it is termed as an optical center. We will always represent it with the O. Principal axis, it is an imaginary line which is passed through the O, then it is termed as an principal axis. Then we have the center of curvature, focus, focal length, aperture. What are all these things? Let us define each and every one. Center of curvature. A center of a curvature is a center point of a sphere as a whole, or we can able to consider a lens, either a convex lens or a concave lens, is a combination of the two spherical surfaces. Each of these surfaces form a part of sphere. The center of these two spheres are called the center of curvature. We can able to represent with the C1 and also C2. What is the principal axis? The principal axis is the imaginary line which passes through the center of curvature and the optical center, that is O. And the optical center, it is a geometrical center of any type of the lens, whether it is a convex or whether it is a concave lens, is called as an optical center, where the light ray is undeviated. Whenever it is a pass through, a light is passed through in it, it is undeviated. Aperture, the effective diameter of a circular outline of a spherical lens is termed as what? Aperture. The focus of a lens is it is a point on the principal axis where all the rays are made after refraction, is called as the focus. It is a point on the principal axis where all the rays meet after refraction. Then what is the meaning of focal length? The focal length is the distance from the optical center to the focus, is called as focal length. Now, this is a convex type of lens, another one is a concave type of lens. Usually we will draw like this. And we have the convenient races to draw the ray diagrams. So, when the ray of light which passes through the optical center, it will never deviate. It is just pass through in it. It is holds good for concave and convex type of lens. In a second case, whenever the light ray is passed through parallel to the principal axis, please observe the second one, it is parallel to the principal axis, it is always passed through the water. Refracted ray is always passed through the focus. It is holds good in concave and also the convex type of lens. And in the third one, whenever the ray of light is passed through the focus, it is always refracted ray is always parallel to the principal axis. So, these are the three important races is needed for us to draw ray diagrams. Now, we have the converging lens. So, all the races are meted at what? The focus. This is called converging lens. This is termed as a convex type of lens. Please observe the rays. And another one is here is a diverging lens. Why it is called as a diverging lens? It is diverges the rays. Whenever the incident on the lens, the refracted ray is diverges. So, this is all about the lenses. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.